Ka-chow!
The cable on this hood latch was still good, so when you went to pop the hood, it actually would pop, but you would need a second person literally prying up on it at the same time. So it was actually the latching mechanism that had gone bad and not the cable. So this is a quick video on how to replace that.
The hood latch cable is very similar to cables used in bicycles. You just pop it out of its holder and slide it out of the latch. There are 3 10mm bolts in the hood latch. You'll want to mark where the latch lives, then remove all 3 bolts. Always compare your old parts to your new parts.
Okay, so start all of them first. And we are going to just like that.
Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe below so we can help other people find this video. I offer automotive education and consulting, so if you need help completing this job, my contact information is in the description below.